Welcome to the factory. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how sausages are made, from raw cuts to the final link. Don't forget to subscribe.
It starts with premium cuts of pork and beef, delivered fresh daily to the processing plant. Each batch is rigorously inspected for quality before it moves to the grinding line.
Huge grinders crush the meat into a coarse texture, preparing it for the mixing stage.
Spices, ice, and seasoning are added. The cutter blends everything into a smooth, fine emulsion. The smooth batter is pumped into clear casings at high pressure, creating a continuous flow.
Precision linkers twist the hot dogs into exact portions, producing hundreds of links per minute. They are loaded onto racks and moved into the smokehouse for cooking.
Natural hardwood smoke cooks them, locking in that signature color and taste.
Once cooked, the casings are removed instantly, leaving a skinless frankfurter. Finally, robots organize them into packs, sealing them to guarantee freshness.
And that is how hot dogs are made. Get fresh, safe, and delicious. Thanks for watching.